My name is Marco Rando. I am one of the 6 art teachers here at South Lakes. We're in South Lakes High School, and this is the art studio, and this is where the STEAM team meets to create their Lake Thoreau projects. STEAM is a public art program that was started approximately 9 years ago, and it was a kind of challenge put before the students to see if they could do a full-scale project that a professional would go through. Yeah, we need this because we're going to need to take it back. STEAM, of course, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. It embraces all these disciplines, and for a student to learn this early on, what better way to do it on a professional level? They're deconstructing right now, and if you can see, they have these yellow tags, so they have to design a system of how the sculpture is going to go together and be taken apart because they're not allowed on the lake. And RA, wonderful construction crew, will help put this up out on the lake, so they have to know how this is going to come down and where all the parts and pieces are going to go. This year, the students are on their 7th concept, and it is called Part and Parcel. The sculpture, they're challenged with using repurposed materials. Most years they use repurposed materials, and they try to repurpose materials from previous sculptures. This year, the material was donated by Comstock. Lots of colorful PVC. Yeah, let's get around. So the students start each year. They form the club, and it was an after-school club, but now we're doing it in school as well. And they come together and start generating ideas, and they just throw ideas out. Once they start on a specific idea, they're going to have to make presentations, and the first presentations that they will make for reflection and for aesthetic feedback is to Public Art Reston. The second stage of presentations is then the Design Review Board of Reston Association.
So all these separate individual pieces will be brought together, which is the Gestalt theory, which is...
Once that's done and they get approval, they start building the sculpture, and they have to build it on the school premise to understand the engineering and to study the engineering. And 9 times out of 10, when it goes into physical form, there's definitely changes. So they have to go back to the drawing board, redesign, or look at what their problems were and figure them out. Who's taking out the ring? When COVID came into presence, the students, we slowed down production, but the students were driven to get this project done. And they found a way. We found a way to meet and work within the parameters of safety so that the students could persevere to see this project come to fruition. And hopefully we'll see it out on the lake in the months to come.